In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a product module to your marketing email in Hubspot. This feature is incredibly helpful for showcasing products directly inside your emails, making them more engaging and conversion friendly. Whether you're an experienced HubSpot user or just getting started, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's begin. Start by opening your preferred browser and heading over to hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, click the login button located at the top right corner. Enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. If you're new to HubSpot, you can easily create a free account before continuing. After logging in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard. From here, look at the top navigation bar and click on Marketing. This section contains all your marketing tools, from campaigns and automation to email creation. Next, select Email from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your email dashboard where you can view all your existing campaigns. Here, you'll find both drafts and previously sent emails. Choose the email you want to modify and click Edit. Don't worry, you're not sending anything yet. You're simply opening the email editor to customize its content. Once you're in the editing interface, look at the sidebar for the Products option. This is where the magic happens. Click Products to add a product module directly to your email. HubSpot will then prompt you to select which products you'd like to feature. If you already have products saved in your HubSpot product library, you can easily choose from them. If not, you can add new ones by entering details like product name, description, price, and image. After selecting your products, the module will automatically populate within your email template, displaying the items neatly and professionally. You can rearrange or resize them as needed to match your design style. Before finishing, take a moment to preview your email. This is an important step. Check that the product images display correctly, the prices are accurate, and that everything looks polished on both desktop and mobile views. If you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and save your changes. When you're ready to send, you can either schedule the email or send it immediately to your selected list of contacts. And that's it. You've successfully added a product module to your HubSpot marketing email. This simple addition can make your emails more dynamic, help you promote products directly to your audience, and ultimately boost your marketing results. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out my other HubSpot guides for more tips on improving your email marketing workflow. See you in the next video, and happy marketing.